And we're gonna see how it looks like. Ooh. I think it's ready. That is a very good bouillon. Yeah, the bouillon is ready. It's up to you if you want a lot of water or if you want it to be thick. I don't want it to be thick. I want the water. It's winter. I need hot bouillon. Yes. So I'm going to taste it. I'm too short. We're gonna get some bouillon. Ooh. And chicken feet for sure. They come for a Caribbean bed. We know the food gives us strength. Okay. So now I need bouillon. Haitian, you can just put a little bit things like that. Et voila. And that's it. It's ready to eat. Didn't take a long time. You know why? Because I prepared the meat earlier last night, so I didn't need to start from guys, that's your bouillon. It's ready. And yeah, that's how the bouillon looks like. So we're gonna try it. So trust me, it's very, very good for. Oh, I love it. Parsley is good for you too. Oh, it's hot.
Power off.
You don't have to eat the parsley, okay? Trust me. Wow, it's so good.